Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. New to this channel, I am Aprika Pedinti and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button. If you would subscribe, I would be happy for that. So right now the time is something around 10:30 in the morning, and yeah, I have just come here to talk little bit of my things which I wanted to share with you all. Because some of you have been asking me why I haven't been posting this week before week. So yeah, I thought let's just make a video and let everyone know what's the reason. For starting this, I wanted to tell one thing to the people watching. If you are such a person who's scared about the society and what would they say and oh my god and all this stuff, please exit from here, don't see this video. And who really care for me and would love to know at what position I am and respect my thoughts and emotions, please stay and watch. Yeah, so the past 2 weeks have been very rough for me. I let me just not make it so sad because I have never bought this phase of mine on this channel, and yeah, everybody has some lows and ups, but right now I'm in a little bit low position. But let's not make that smile fade away, let's just be in a good mood. So the past couple of weeks have been very rough and bad for me. You may think, what does a 19-year girl have a problem? But it's not a problem, it's just not able to handle some situations of life. Every age people have. Even a 1 month-year-old has a problem of not having food on time. He cries all the day. So every age has its own problems. So I don't know, I feel this age is a very vulnerable age, very oh my gosh age. So yeah, so my mind is all over the place. I don't know the reasons, but so frustrating for me all this week. I am not able to do anything. I just have a block in my mind. I am so irritated all the time. I don't know the reasons. I feel there are some things which are affecting me at this point. First thing is basically I don't know the reason why I am gaining weight, and do not bother gaining weight if I have eaten amount needed to gain weight. If I ate a lot, I would be okay. I ate, I gain, but I genuinely don't know the reasons why I'm gaining weight. For people who don't know, like who are close to me, know that I am a very picky eater. I eat very less, like a very less amount of food, and I'm that kind of person. I am not so into food. I don't like eating a lot, but even then I gain weight. I don't know the reason. I have been working out all this lockdown, and yeah, I work out like 4 or 5 days a week, and sometimes I skip it, but whenever I do it to fullest. But even then I am gaining weight, and I genuinely don't know the reason. And I am that kind of person, when if I don't know why something of my body is not in okay position, I get so irritated because I want my body to be in a particular way, and if I do not get that, I am so frustrating. It is a part of my self-care only that I need to take care of my body, and I've been drinking water, I've been staying healthy, I've been exercising, everything of that sort. And there are many things I've left in this lockdown, like cool drinks, chocolates. I've stopped eating entirely from all these 6 to 8 months, and I really don't know the reason why. My mom has thyroid, and maybe in the family genes, I was worried if I had, and even then I got tested for it, but I didn't had anything of that sort. And it's really frustrating for me to go through this, and it's so irritating because all the time people just comment about your physique, your weight. I know I don't give a shit about them, but listening it on a daily basis, like it's my job or something, it's just so making me so down, and I can't express how irritating it is. Even if I gain weight or I lose weight, why does it bother you? Like, it shouldn't, right? Even you gain weight, you lose weight, it shouldn't bother me, because it's your own body and you have the right to take decision for it. So that is one main reason. The second thing is that I am not able to think anything. Like, I am not able to understand what I really want in life, what I really want from life. However, I have an idea of what my life has to be things which I want to do really, but because of the reasons of people not accepting or whatever is it, I am not able to do them. And career wise, I am just so stuck. I really wish I had a person to guide me properly who knew about my field, my interests, and understand me right. I know my parents do understand and do get my shit a lot, especially my mom. But even then, I don't know. Like, she understands, but she doesn't understand completely, and that's the thing. It's like that, and that is one of the things which is frustrating. And my mind is so blocked, like it's like a block in my head. I legit recorded 3 complete videos, like 2 challenges and some other video. Completely recorded it, but my mind is so stupid. I deleted it because I didn't know. I'm just telling you, this is my state of being right now. I deleted all those videos, and they were so good content for the channel to grow, but I deleted it. I don't know. That's the way I am right now. It's so frustrating to be in such position. It's so irritating. You know, other than this, I just wanna get away from here. Like, here in the sense, it's been like almost, if December completes 1 year, I've been sitting in home, not going anywhere. And I am that kind of person who needs to move, who needs to go, who needs to enjoy, who needs to explore, and that is me. And for me, this whole thing is so irritating. I just want to get out, but because of COVID and increasing cases, I can't take a risk of going, nor my parents would allow me to go at this position, and I respect that. But for such an outgoing person, it's so frustrating to just sit in home. And it's been almost 1 year when I've been thinking about this. It's been 1 year that I'm sitting in home, just sitting, and I feel so pathetic about myself. I don't know how to handle this. It's so frustrating, guys. Let me just tell you, I just want to get away somewhere. I just want to break so that I can clear my head and start doing things on my own pace. I know you may think that, oh my god, what problems are you facing that you are talking this shit? But dude, everyone has their own problems, and be it any age of life. Even if you're a 1-year-old person, you'll be having some shit with you, and every age has some shit to deal with, and this age is more vulnerable, and I feel has more shit, because at this age I feel everything matters, everything is irritating, everything is a point to be kept in mind and heart. And really my friends have been there, but even then, with some people there have been some rough phases going on, and I really can't understand, guys. I am this kind of person. I can't deal with rough patches with any relations with any person, like person to person. I can't do that. I am so bad at it. I just want everyone to be with me and be happy girl. That is me. But when things like this happen, I just can't handle. My mind is all over the place. I lose my temper. I lose everything, like that. But yeah, that is my rant. So it has been very disturbing all these weeks. It's like that. So these are some underlying issues I have. I just gave you a little of everything, something like that. This is where I am, and it's so frustrating for me to see me in this position, because I am a very happy GGG person. I just love enjoying things, and even now I'm trying not to get into that mood, because I truly believe we only can team our minds, and we are the only ones who can clearly decide what we want to go through. And I truly believe by it, and that's the reason why I do practice self-love every day. I do something or the other for my own self. But being with people around who just don't understand what I really want is so frustrating. I just need a getaway so bad, so bad, but nothing is on my side, and it's okay. One day it will just happen one day. And yeah, everything is so all over the place, and I hope you guys don't mind seeing this side of me. I thought, because you all are even a kind of family, YouTube family, I heard sharing is not bad, it's good, because many of you can be helpful with it. And yeah, sometimes it happens that many of my people I know, they just make fun of me saying, oh, you're a YouTuber, oh, you are that, but they do not understand the fact that getting onto a social media platform, trying to portray things which you like, your thoughts, is a big deal. You know, you just can't say that, oh my god, you started a YouTube channel, oh my god, is that the way someone does? What do? Are you out of your mind? You always make videos, you don't have anything to do, why do you put on makeup? It's so much to deal with. If you're not interested, just get the shit out of here, and why do you bother other people's lives? You know, even some of my friends, people whom I know, they just randomly, mock at me saying that you are a YouTuber, you don't know anything more than videos. I bet you, just move your ass, come to videos, edit it, and think of the content and post consistently. You will know how much of a pain it is. So stop doing that. If you can't do it, just shut your mouth and do your things. When I can do, I would do. These all do not bother me, but like I said, listening it every day from one another person, it's so irritating. And even in my home, my parents support me, but my mom really supports, she understands, but uh, I don't know, sometimes even they feel that all these things of making videos, all these things getting dolled up is an issue, and I legit can't face them, because I truly believe I have only one life, and I really want to explore everything I want. And when people try to stop me, I just get irritated. I know it's for my own good, but it's so irritating, because I really enjoy, making videos, being social, connecting with people. I really like it, and it's nothing wrong. Yeah, I just feel this. I truly want to say, if you really respect my thoughts and values and do not care about what society is, then just be in the part of my journey, get into my fam and just be a part. But if you're a person who's anti to me, spreading nothing but just negativity, please skip from this channel, because I don't want anything negative over here. This is my happy place, and I just want to be happy. I don't know, making videos makes me happy. Even if I'm in a bad mood, I just come make a video and I feel so, oh my god, my life is in a very good place. That's me. Yeah, so for the people who are having problem with me making videos and getting dolled up and doing all this stuff, fashionable and stylish, who can't tolerate me looking good, please exit. I do not want such kind of people either in my channel or in my life. So for both reasons. But if you're a person who would like to cherish all the moments I have and respect me like I do you, please stick around and support me, and I would promise that you will definitely get the best version of myself. I know it's tiring to be in this situation where everything is a problem for people, and you need to constantly give explanations to them, but it happens. Handling life situations is a big thing, and I am learning it. And yeah, let's end this video with a positive note. If you feel anyway relatable, I just made this because I wanted to let everyone know what I'm facing, and it's something good. If any one of you are in the same way face, it's okay. I know everyone knows we are going to get through this in a good mood. We'll have a good day, baby. And yeah, things happen, but good things even happen. Oh my god, I've given a lot of rant. I have given a lot of rant, but that's okay. I think you all understand at what point I am, but I promise you, from the coming Friday, you will be getting all my content, all my videos, all my good stuff, or nothing like this. This is my first ever video like this. I hope it didn't bother you, it didn't trigger you. I'm sorry if it did, but I had to let my emotions out. Yes, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and do subscribe, it would mean a lot. Yeah. Let's just meet in the next video. Bye all.